We know an adjective is a word that modifies or describes a noun or pronoun. And an adverb modifies a verb, an adjective, another adverb, a preposition, a phrase, a clause, or even a sentence. Forhad is usually a latecomer. Mita came late for the meeting. Here we are using the same word late both as adjective and adverb. That means we are not adding ly at the end of the word late to make it adverb. And if we do so, it will come up with a different meaning. For example, what have you decided lately? Or the old man hasn't been doing so well lately. Here lately means recently or not long ago. As I have already mentioned, we convert most of the adjective words into adverb by adding ly at the end of those words. But there are some other words we use both as adjective and adverb without adding ly. Sometimes we add ly, and if we do so, we make mistakes or the meaning of the word is changed, like using lately instead of late. Let's see some more examples. Hard. She is doing a hard job. Here, hard is an adjective because it modifies the noun job. Or she is trying hard to find a job. Here, hard is an adverb because it modifies the verb try. If we add ly, it becomes hardly and its meaning is completely different. It gets a negative meaning and meaning is rarely, scarcely. For example, he hardly played cricket in his childhood, or they have hardly any food to survive now. Now, when you are trying your best to find a job and you are saying, I'm trying hardly to find a job, it means you are no way serious about it. Fast. He's a fast runner. Fast is used as an adjective here because it talks about the quality of a runner and thus modifies the noun. They run really fast. Here fast is used as an adverb word because it modifies the verb run. Rough. The road is quite rough. He's a man of rough behavior. When we say she behaves really rough, it determines how she behaves. Here roughly is also correct. She behaved roughly with me. Wrong. You are working on the wrong document. She decided wrong. She spelled my name wrongly. Here wrongly is also correct. Far. He is my far relative. She lives far from here. There is probably no word farly. Lively. The word ends with ly but it is an adjective. He is a lively person even in his old age. She danced so lively. Right. Mind your right side. I did it right. Here rightly is also correct and goes with the same meaning. For example, he rightly mentioned my point. Outside. I'm an outside person in this matter. Stay outside until I call you. There is no word outsidely. Early. She's an early person. She always comes early. Daily, weekly, monthly, yearly. This is my daily routine. I go for a walk daily. Or this is my weekly, monthly, or yearly plan. I plan it weekly, monthly, or yearly. First. He is the first person of all the training attendees. He went first to attend the training. But if we say firstly, they will refer to the first point or reason. I think you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching.